Mighty X elastic bandages are used to help heal muscle sprains and strains. It comes in different sizes to accommodate your needs. Each bandage is individually packaged, so you can keep them sanitary and debris-free. Our bandages are made from a sturdy and durable material, which retains its elasticity after multiple uses. Our elastic bandages stretch to 3 times the original length to provide excellent compression for your injured ligaments and joints. Using elastic clips is the best way to keep your bandage firmly in place. If you need to bandage your wrist, begin at the base of the palm and wrap several times. Continue wrapping by overlapping 1/2 of the previous layer. Once finished, secure with the included elastic clips. Wrap the bandage firmly, but not too tightly. If it's too tight, it can cut off blood flow to the injured area and cause swelling. Apply the elastic clips with moderate stretch. If you apply clips with insufficient stretch, your bandage may shift. Overstretching the elastic clips can cause hook breakage or the rupture of the elastic string and clips falling off. Check out our ratings and decide for yourself.